Hello children, how are you? So nice to meet you children. Good morning. Today we are going to start lesson number 2. What is the lesson number children? Parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Have you recapped children? We have discussed these parts of plant in previous year also. Once we'll see this warm up table. What is given here? Saurabh wants to sow a seed. Circle the things that are required for a plant to grow properly. Are you seeing the figures, children, here? So observe these figures which are needed for plant growth. You need to circle it. First, they give mud. Next, this is plate, sunlight, bulb, water. So, what are the required elements for plant growth, children? First of all, we will see the sunlight only. Very good. Next, water. Next, mud also required. Good soil is required for plant growth, no children. So, these are the elements that are required for plants growth. Next, the seed planted by Saurabh is now growing. Number its stages of growth in the correct order. Are you seeing these pictures, children? That means you got an idea. So we have studied this in previous year also. So you only mark, children, which one will come first one. Yes, very good, children. So here the seed has been sown into soil. This is the first stage. Observing next one, some plant comes out from the seed. So this is the second stage. See, children, how the plant grows one step by step. So this is the third stage. This is fourth stage. Very good, children. You remembered very well. Next, let us see. In this class, we are going to study what about the parts of plant. First, we are going to learn that root and shoot are parts of plants. We know root, but we didn't listen about shoot, no? So, in third class, we will see about this topic, root and shoot are parts of plant. Already you know the basic parts of plants, children. Are you observing the plant, children, here? Yes. So, here, under the soil, what will be there, children? Roots. So this is the stem. These are the leaves. So this plant does not have fruits, birds, flowers. So you know some plants will have fruits as well as birds as well as flowers. So these are the basic parts of the plant, children. So we also have some parts. What are the parts? We have eyes, nose, hands and legs. Same animals also will have, no children. So plants also have different parts like that only. So today we are going to study about plants has two main parts, that is roots and shoot. Are you able to see the roots, children? No. So roots will be under the soil. So the part of the plant that grows under the soil are called roots, children. Whereas the plant we are seeing above the soil, that has been grown above the soil, this is called shoot, children. So the plant which we are able to see above the soil is called shoot, whereas the part of the plant that grows under the soil are called roots. Roots. Understood, children? So root is the part of the plant that grows under the soil and it binds the plant. You are seeing the plant has been bind with the soil. How it is bind with the soil? Firmly. So there are two types of roots, children. Today we are going to study about two types of roots. So roots also will be two types, children. So those are taproot and fibrous roots. Taproot, TAP, taproot, and fibrous means FIBROUS, fibrous roots. So are you observing this plant, children? Are you observing this plant? Okay, children, are you observing this plant? Hmm? So how many roots it have? Single root. Are you observing this one? Single root. So this type of root is called taproot, children. This is called taproot. Only single root will be there, main root. So that is called taproot. So taproot grows deep into the soil. Like beans, peepal tree, and mustard plants have taproots. This plant I brought for your purpose only to show what is the difference between taproot and fibrous root. This is Mayflower plant, children. So like onion, these roots will be. So these are the single roots. These are called taproots, children. Only main root, one root will be there. Understood, children? Next, coming to the fibrous roots. Next, coming to the fibrous roots. Are you observing this small plant, children? How the roots are? See the roots. How the roots are, children? For this plant, how the roots are? How the roots, children? There are bulk of roots, small roots are there. No single main root. There are small roots are there, children. Are you observing here? So these types of roots are called fibrous roots. These types of roots are called fibrous roots. These types of roots are called fibrous roots. Are you observing now clear picture? These types of roots are called fibrous roots. Understood, children? So bulk of roots, small roots. See, if you observe in our school also, so much grass will be there, children. So grass also will have fibrous roots only. Now coming to your textbook, turn the page, children. They have given the figure in the page number 180. So see, this is the taproot. What I showed now, single main root will be there. Here you observe fibrous roots. How they are bulk type of roots. So this is about taproot and fibrous root. Up to here we will discuss, children. Next part we will discuss in later. Okay. Thank you, children.